Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. आज मैंने एक वॉयलेट स्मोकी आई लुक क्रिएट किया है. This is very much wearable. You can wear it outside to functions, to parties, not to office though. Again, this is a very effortless makeup. ज़्यादा effort नहीं लगता है. जब मैंने पहली बार ये makeup look बनाया था, so that time I totally fell in love with the way it looked. So abhi jab when I was planning to create a new video, I thought why not to create this look and tell you guys how easy it is to create a violet smoky eye look and literally look glamorous in, I guess, 10-15 minutes. That won't take more than that. So I have shared the easy tutorial on this look. I hope you like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye. So we are gonna start by filling eyebrows first. I'm gonna take brown and black shades from this palette and fill in with on my eyebrows. Now I'm using concealer by Maybelline as always as my eyeshadow base. I'll blend it with my MAC Beauty Blender. We are gonna powder it with MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. You can use any loose powder you want. Setting your base, eyeshadow base, is very important. Now I'm using Maybelline Gel Eyeliner on my eyelids to create a smoky effect. It doesn't need to be really perfect, just a little blended black. We'll leave it like this and then we'll pack it with the violet shade. I'm going to take the violet shade from my eyeshadow palette on my eyelids, this one, and this brush, flat eye brush by MAC Cosmetics. So this part we are going to pack with the violet eyeshadow. I'm going to take the same shade to blend out the edges with this brush by MAC Cosmetics. Blending my crease again, just for a neat effect. Now I'm going to take this shade from the palette to blend out the edges and use it as my transition shade. We'll be wiping off the fallouts, or rather say just correcting off the edges with a micellar water and a cotton pad. I'm using white kajal by Voste. For white kajal, I would highly recommend this one. This is a highly pigmented kajal and very long lasting on eyes. Now I'm gonna use moisturizer. This is again by Innisfree Jeju Orchid Volcanic Moisturizer, my favorite. Using Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. Again, when I think of primer, I can only think of buying this. It's the best silicone based primer at this affordable rate. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Pro HD foundation in the shade 108. Now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light for cream highlighting. Cream highlight the places where light hits your face at first. So you highlight that part, so when light would hit your face, that part of your face would look bright. Now whatever we have applied on our face, I'm going to set it all with my MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. This is again my go-to. I'm using the same violet shade on my lower lash line. If you can notice that when I'm putting color on my lower lash line, now my eye makeup looks perfect for this eye. Now for this eye, you can notice it looks kind of incomplete and blank now. So you should always put a color on your lower lash line, the color that you're using here, or a contrasting color to complement the eye look. Depends on you, but never leave it blank. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I have recently started using this mascara and I am already in love with it. Now I'm using the face palette by Sugar Cosmetics again for powder contour for now. I'm using the blush from the same face palette by Sugar Cosmetics. I could show you I've almost reached the pan in this blush. I totally love this blush. Now I'm using my favorite Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold for highlighting. I totally love this one. For lip color, I'm going to use Dinah by Nykaa Ultra Matte Collection.
like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with